How to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to make sure your app is up to date. If not, you need to simply go ahead and launch Play Store or App Store and check for the available updates. If there is any, you have to simply choose the update button and update it to the latest version. Once done, you need to simply move ahead and then tap and hold Microsoft Authenticator application. Tap App Info and now select Storage Uses and choose Clear Cache. Further, if you wish to tap Clear Data and clear the data, you can do that as well. Doing this will resolve your Microsoft Authenticator app not working. Now you can simply move ahead and look for whether your issue resolved or not. And that is how we simply fix Authenticator app of microphone. That is how we fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.